kids! Welcome back to the English readings. I'm Laura from the library and today we are going to read an amazing book. Yes, are you ready? The story of today is Pete the Cat. Go, Pete, go! Written by James Dean. Yes, it's a story time. Enjoy it with me and let's read it together. It's a beautiful day. Pete the cat has decided to take his bike for a ride. Nothing makes Pete happier than feeling the sun on his fur and the breeze on his face. Turtle has a new car. Who wants to have a race? He says. Not me, says Grumpy Toad. My motorcycle has a flat tire. Not me, says Colin. My bus is a work of art. It's not meant for racing. Then Pete said, I will race you. Knowing how much Turtle likes to race. But your bike has no motor, says Turtle. My race car is super quick. I'll win for sure. That's okay, says Pete. I just want to try my best and have fun. Everyone is excited for the big race. On your mark, get, set, go! Turtle steps on the gas pedal and boom, zooms away. Meanwhile, Pete waves goodbye to everyone and then pedals. Yes, pedals off. Pete sees Turtle up ahead. Turtle slows down to let Pete catch up. Check this out, shouts Turtle. He presses a button and finds a pier. Now Turtle's race car goes even faster. Yes, Pete's bike doesn't have fins, but he does have a basket. He stops and takes out a tasty red apple. Turtle sees that Pete is way behind. He spies a dinner up ahead. Might as well grab a bite to eat, Turtle says as he pulls into a parking spot. Then, oh, jump, jump, says Turtle, eating a grilled cheese sandwich. He is in no rush. He is sure he will win the race. Dessert? The waitress asks. Don't mind if I sew, Turtle says. While Turtle finishes his lunch, Pete continues pedaling. The sun is high and the breeze is blowing. It's a beautiful day for the race. Pete sees Turtle leaving the dinner. Pete waves hello, but Turtle doesn't wave back. Turtle just jumps in his car and peels off. I think he didn't see me, Pete shrugs. But Turtle did see Pete. He knows that Pete isn't going to give up easily. So Turtle presses a button and his tires inflate into mag wheels that let him swerve around the curves at top speed. Then Pete passes a rose bush as he goes around a car. Pete knows he should keep racing, but he can't resist. The roses are just so beautiful. he has to stop to smell them. Turtle sees that he has a huge lead. He knows he's going to win. He stops for a nice cold glass of lemonade. And that's when he sees the hammock hanging between two trees. He's exhausted from racing so fast. He figures a quick nap will help him in the home stretch. Pete pedals past and sees Turtle sleeping. That's cool, Pete thinks as he rides by as quickly as he can. Turtle must really be tired. I'm glad he's getting some rest. Grumpy Toad finds Turtle fast asleep. Wake up, Turtle, says Grumpy Toad. If you don't get back in the race, Pete is going to win. No, that's impossible, says Turtle, thinking it must be a joke. But it's not a joke. Turtle presses a button and rock boosters appear, making him go super duper fast. But by the time Turtle nears the finish line, Pete has already won the race. How did you do it? Turtle asks. Slow and steady, says Pete. Maybe next time instead of racing, we can ride together. Great idea, says Turtle. The end. Very good, kids. We finished with this story. Pete the Cat. Go, Pete, go! Remember that it's important to read. If you have a book at home, just give you the time and read it. You can read a wonderful story by day or by week. Thank you so much for paying attention, and I will see you the next week with another wonderful story. Bye!